Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro limited edition, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the moon icon, and this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And if you want to enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon. You will see the icon change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel again, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and we'll go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also do this through the settings. So if you're on the home screen, press the crown button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called preferences and tap on it, and then select Do Not Disturb. And here we can turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode. But we can also do another thing. We can basically set up a schedule for our Do Not Disturb mode, so it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically at specific times. To do it, tap on Auto Enable, select Scheduled, and then tap on this arrow right here. And now we can set the start times on the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. And then we can tap on the arrow and set the end time. So the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning off. And once you're done, as you can see, we have a schedule. It will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 7:30 a.m. You can also enable the Smart DND option, and what this option does is basically, if the watch detects that you're sleeping, basically if you're wearing it during sleep and it detects that you're sleeping, it will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, and when you wake up, it will turn it off. And if you want to disable the schedule, you simply select the manual option right here, and the schedule will be turned off. Okay, and then we can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.